The culture here at Brown Equipment is great. Our team that is very passionate about what we do.
Our team has been strategically placed together, and we are a force to be reckoned with on service side.
What we do here in the service center is basically cater to customer needs on equipment that they need repairs done. We also work on used equipment. Each tech has their own set of techniques and skills that they're good at, and they excel.
My main goal when I get new people in is to build them to where we're all on the same level, because I like to create a brotherhood and a good atmosphere to where these guys know they can lean on me and I can count on them, and vice versa. When we bring people on, we like to make sure everybody's accountable, and safety is our main thing, man. We want everybody to go back home to their families the way they are.
As far as growing as a tech for when the guys out here in the shop, it's huge. Somebody that always has an open mind to learn every day and grow. That's what we seek in a lot of people.
There is a very good team atmosphere here at BEC. Knowing that you have somebody relying on you, that they will count on you and depend on you, know they can. That's a key thing for me.
Just making sure we have the right type of guys around here and just grow together. I felt like this is where I needed to be and where I wanted to be.